Hello and welcome to Foetron Cloud Academy. Today we shall get our hands on more features of OneDrive. If you're provided with the OneDrive in your workspace, it will be really criminal not to exploit the vast storage and features it provides. How much you ask? A full terabyte. Yes, 1 terabyte of space just for you. So forget saving anything ever on premises and move everything on OneDrive. Now the question at hand is, how do I access my OneDrive? When will it sync to the cloud and so on? So in this video, let me at least answer these two questions for you so that you can start with it. So when you open your file manager from this PC, OneDrive will be shown as a simple folder, a separate one also, but it will be dedicated in one of your hard disk spaces or one of your partitions if you made them. Okay, so the logic behind it is it will be a simple folder to control. So what you can do is simply drag and drop folders inside your OneDrive, and whenever the internet is connected, OneDrive will sync these folders, as you can see on the screen. As you can see, all the content of the folders which I added is being uploaded on the cloud. Now they're being uploaded on the cloud so that if you have OneDrive on any for the same account on any other device of yours, you can directly download these files from this OneDrive folder because they're being uploaded and use them there, right? So this is one of the features from OneDrive, which makes it ultimately portable. So this is all for this video. For more features of OneDrive, stay tuned for Foetron Cloud Academy, and thank you.